Morning all. Okay, let's start doing some technical on this stuff. This is euro against the US dollar. I'm gonna draw a line. Okay, it's going up there like that. I want to change that color line to yellow because I want to see it. I want it to be a little thicker. So here's this. It looks like a clear trend going up there. Here's the channel. So I have a feeling it's going to bounce, bump. So it's going to do dump, dump, dump. If we zoom out, we were obviously in the downtrend for a while. So, boom. I think last week we went up into this thing here. So we panicked, or maybe it was here. Yeah, it was here. That cost us a lot. So we'll see how far this goes up. So this is definitely you're gonna see a lot of selling on EU. So just hang tight, and you can see where my bot has picked this up on Orlando. This is the dollar account. So all I need this thing to do is drop down here to where I take profit, so I can take some profit. So that's good on that one. So let's move over to GU. Okay, GU's in a big long downtrend like we've seen. That, remember, downtrend was a lot of buying last week. And this is a 4-hour. If I go on the daily, so this was a big buy here. So we're going into a sell right here. So I expect this to drop. I have a feeling we're going to make some good money here. So good money here. So I don't think this is going to go up. So we're still of course the 50 is starting to come down. It's going to hit under here and cross over, and that's going to be a good sign for us. Once this 50, this red line crosses over this 200, I think we're going to be in a really good spot. Okay, so that's GU. That's going to sell for a little bit, and then it's going to drop. That's my prediction. Okay. EJ. Okay, so this is a daily, so let's go to 4-hour, what our bot is actually seeing. So we're definitely into a buy here. It's going up. Well, actually, I'm sorry, it's a sell. It's a sell here. We just came out of a huge sell, and we just collected a lot of profit here. So we're into a sell again, and then hopefully this, I don't see it goes up here. I mean, we're going to be in a long sell. It's going to be a big drawdown on us. So hopefully this will double top and then fall. But then as it falls, there's going to be a massive buying. Here's how this works. Okay, let me get in here. Okay, the bot is selling here, right? It's doing sell, 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 and then as it comes down here, it's doing a lot of buying, right? So as it's buying, all these sells that we did previously are now hitting their take profit marks as it drops. Okay, and then all these buys, and we're in a drawdown again, and then bam, right, as we start selling again, we start collecting these buys we did. So this is how that works. Okay, so I don't know how far up this will go. I don't see it going past. This is major support levels. Oh, that's the thing. That's major support levels here. I'll drop this yellow line and thicken it up. This is major support. Oop. If you look, this is major support here. All this area here, 1 touch, 2 touch. And it's stalled right around here. You know, if you look, see this, it's stalling. So this I don't think this thing's going to go up this far. I think it's going to turn and drop. As we see this stochastics, it's already starting to go into the overbought area. You know, it's oversold. So it's going to drop unless it starts ping-ponging here like it did here. Bam, bam, bam. So it's going to do this. So if it does it again, I mean, this could be a good, this is a climb press of Elliott's wave. This is the first wave. We got the second one. Now we're into the third one. The third one could go. So third one could go up to about here. Third one's usually the longest. But I don't see it going past way up here. If it does, we're into a long drawdown. But hey, as we're buying up here, it's going to sell way down there. So let's just see if it will pass 130. Yeah, if it breaks, let's say 130.5, then look for a long uptrend. Okay, so that was EJ. So let's jump down to GJ. Okay, same thing's going on here too. We're up into a little junk here. So if I draw a line, bam, bam. I don't think, oh, that's interesting. Popped right there. So let's follow this line on down. So it's going to come, touch this line, and then whichever way it breaks, you'll see a false breakout, then come back and then go up, or you'll see a breakout to the bottom, then go back up, touch that line, and then fall. So I think we're good. We kind of like this. This is the stuff we like. This stuff makes us money here. This long stuff, yeah, it makes us good money when we're coming down here and we're selling. Then we're buying at this point. See, when we're going down, when the market's going down, we're doing the opposite. We're buying, hoping for it to come up. So that's that. Okay. Okay, AJ. For any of you guys got AJ. Okay. Okay, well that was nice, wasn't it? That was a nice little uptrend here. Nice little channel going there. This kind of blew it. This really didn't fit. So it broke there. It's coming back. This is going to make us some money. Right now we're in a buy situation. This is definitely a buy situation here. So we're definitely selling here, and you'll see a lot of sells today. You start to see a lot of red sells. So until we can get a little downtrend, that's where we're at. Let's see. Did I do UJ? I don't think I did. Okay. Okay, here's another one. Hey, look. Forex, did they just give a signal? Oh, a Zoom meeting. Oh, no thanks. I got time for this shit. Okay, so as you can see, here's all our take profits. See, and on the dollar account is Orlando, and this is where I'm actually doing this charting on the dollar, so you can see all the lines going here. And this is going to go up a bit. This is going to at least go up to there. So that's a good thing. So it's going to go up for a bit. I don't see it going past here. I think it's going to continue this downtrend here. It's going to continue that downtrend. It's going to bounce up here, maybe just a little bit, and then it's going to pop on down. So, and we can do this. This isn't a coincidence that these, for you new guys, these things follow these trend lines. It's uncanny how this happens. And for you real new guys, I try to teach you how to do resistance, support and resistance, and all that. So, okay, so that's UJ, GJ. I think that covers all my pairs for the week, and but that's what we're looking at. And you know, you really don't have to do this, but I will adjust my settings accordingly to this. And so right now, all my settings are good. I'm not going to touch them. I'm going to run with it. My Sense account, let's go on and take a look at my Sense account now. So let's get out of here. Close this. Open this. Open this. Okay, so this is my Sense account on the left. So let's go through this. So I have my balance is bounce it over. So I've actually broke the $900 mark on my account. So coming up here, I'm in a current drawdown of 15.72%. Okay. My float is, you bounce this over two places, so I'm about $150, 146, about $150 in the hole. Not in the hole. Float means that I have all these trades open. So the more trades you have open, that's called float. Either your plus float, if you're making money, if you're in the blue, or if you're in the red, whatever your thing is, in Orlando, it's red and green. On MetaTrader, it's blue and red. So as you can see, I'm back into a pretty good drawdown here with my dollar accounts. And you know, I'm really starting to look at this now. I have pairs going the same direction. I should probably get some pairs going in the opposite direction. So I got constant money coming in, going out. So, but here's my USD account. Okay, so I've made I added $94 to this account in 3 days. So that's super. My float rate now is negative $11.92. So that is great. You can see my Martindale now has suddenly showed up from the last video. It's 0.2. I'm kind of liking it. I may jump this up just a teeny bit, and I may pop this too. I mean, can't live forever. So I don't know. I'm gonna keep these settings to the end of the week. That way I can look at it, and then I will then fool with them to try to get optimum thing. But we are in a buy situation because we're going up. So we shall see. We will see what kind of money we generate. Okay? Well, that's about it, guys. You have a good day. I'm off to work in a few hours. So I'll talk to you later.